Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to our Autumn Wonderland, the ultimate destination for all things for all decor. On this channel, we celebrate the enchanting beauty and cozy charm of autumn by bringing nature's seasonal magic into your home. Whether you are a season dye enthusiast or just discovering your passion for crafting, you will find a wealth of inspiration and ideas to transform your space into an autumn paradise. Join us as we embark on a journey of creativity, exploring the vibrant colors, textures, and themes that defines this magical seasons. From rustic farmhouse decor to elegant and modern touches, our tutorials will guide you through the process of creating breathtaking decoration that exude the warmth and serenity of fall. Immerse yourself in a world of dye projects where we craft delightful wreaths adorned with colorful leaves, carve pumpkins into mesmerizing jack-o' lanterns, and design charming tablescapes for cozy gatherings with friends and family. Our engaging and easy to follow tutorials create to all skill levels, ensuring that everyone can participate in the journey of autumn decoration. We believe that the best memories are made in a home filled with a love and seasonal ambience, and we are here to help you achieve that dreamy atmosphere effortlessly. Subscribe to our channel to stay updated on the latest trends, tips, and innovative techniques for turning your home into an autumn wonderland. Let's embrace the fall together, one craft at a time. Join us on this creativity journey, and together let's celebrate the beauty of autumn and create heartwarming memories that will last a lifetime. Thanks for watching my video.